Primetime news this evening. Widespread condemnation after school brawl in Halfway Tree Transport Center. Principals promise to take action against students involved in fight. And industrial action by correctional officers leads to delay in case management hearing for alleged leader of Klansman gang Tesha Miller and his 22 co-accused.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, Jamaica is among the many countries adapting to climate change, and there's talk about establishing a blue-green fund to fund climate-smart projects. I'll have that and more later in the business day.
Blue-green fund, I like that. Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you, Herman. Well, the JFF president has extended an olive branch to the senior national teams. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, we have been adjusting the forecast for an increased expectation of shower activity across the island this weekend, and we also have some thunderstorms in the mix.
All right, and there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the package. But before the break, here is our feedback question.
And this evening we are asking what should be done to end the school wars in the corporate area.
Now please share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.